Jimmy Mackey, founder of Catalyst Transformations here. I'm one of the top health and fitness coaches on LinkedIn, and I've helped over 400 high-performing execs, entrepreneurs, and business owners get back in the best shape of their lives. The men I work with are dialed in professionally. They're crushing it in business, providing for their families, leading teams. They're winning in almost every area of life, except this one. They're running at full throttle, but starting to break down. Low energy, extra weight, habits that used to be automatic now feel like work. And it's not just physical, it's affecting their focus, confidence, and leadership capacity. Here's what they know, and what you probably know too. The longer you put this off, the harder it gets to fix. And it's costing you in ways that extend far beyond just how you look. I bet you know what I mean. This series is going to show you how to fix that. I'm going to walk you through the exact system I use with every single client. A clear, proven approach to take control of your body, reclaim your energy, and perform at your peak without flipping your life upside down. This isn't about living in the gym or eating like a damn monk. It's about building a simple, sustainable system that works with how you actually live and operate. And here's the thing. When you dial this in, it doesn't just bring up your health up to par with the rest of your life. It raises the bar everywhere. Better energy, sharper focus, more confidence, stronger leadership presence. So how do we make this happen? Here's exactly what we'll be covering ahead. First, I'll show you how to eat for performance and body composition without all the meal prep madness or food obsession. We'll build simple frameworks that work whether you're traveling, stuck in back-to-back meetings, or eating with clients. Then we'll talk training. I'll explain why cardio is overrated for fat loss and how just 3 focused training sessions per week beat hitting the gym 6 days a week. We're talking time-efficient training that builds muscle, burns fat, and actually fits your schedule. Next, I'll walk you through optimizing your sleep, stress, and mental clarity using smart wearables and practical strategies that work with your demanding schedules. And no, you don't need to empty the bank on expensive biohacking gadgets or turn into one of those guys who talks about their sleep score at dinner parties either. Then I'll show you how we work with our medical team to understand your blood work and optimize body composition, day-to-day vitality, and long-term health based on what's actually happening in your body. I'm talking about the metrics that matter. After that, we'll dive into the difference between knowing what to do and actually doing it consistently. I'll share the secret sauce for how successful men stay locked in, even when life gets chaotic. And finally, I'll show you how we put this all together into a step-by-step plan that's built around your goals, lifestyle, and body so you know exactly what to do, when, and how to progress over time instead of piecing together random advice you got from social media. Whether you're stuck in information overwhelm, unsure of where to start, grinding through restrictive diets and obsessive workouts without the results to show for it, or bouncing from program to program, searching for something that's actually sustainable, I want you to know there's a better way. There's a way to approach your health and fitness that matches how you operate in business. Strategic, systematic, results focus. This series shows you exactly how to do it. No miracle promises, no get fit quick schemes, mouthful. Just a proven system that works for guys with real responsibilities and busy lives. Ready? Let's go.